What's up guys, PyPop101 here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the item spawner spell to spawn in whatever item or weapon you want in either hand based on its ID. So let's get started. First off, you want to open up your file explorer, go to item spawner, spells, item 0. After doing that, you want to put in the ID of whatever weapon you want to spawn in either hand based on the spawn item left or spawn item right. So as of now, with the base spell, pressing the trigger in the left will spawn the round shield, and in the right, the common short sword. If you want to change those, what you need to do is open up your file explorer, go into whatever mod you want, go to the item underscore weapon underscore whatever the weapon is itself, and you copy the ID right here. So if I want the dark saber to spawn in my right hand, you paste it in, save it, and it'll spawn in your right hand. That said, if you want to summon a base game item, go to items, and let's say I want to spawn in the Baron's hat into my left hand. All you do is you copy the ID and you post it into your left. Save it, it'll spawn into your left. It's that easy. Now, if you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel a ton, and I'd greatly appreciate it. If you haven't already, there is a link below to my Discord server where you can hang out, learn how to mod, and just overall have a good time with a bunch of guys in the community. And if you'd like to support me and the channel itself, a link to my Patreon is linked below as well. So, with that, thank you for watching.